Question number 1. Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? Option A. Ashoka. B. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Bindusara. D. Harsha. Answer is option B. Chandragupta Maurya. Question number 2. Which civilization is known for its advanced urban planning and drainage system? Option A. Vedic civilization. B. Maurya Empire. C. Gupta Empire. D. Indus Valley civilization. Answer is option D. Indus Valley civilization. Question number 3. The Vedic literature is composed in which language? Option A. Sanskrit. B. Pali. C. Prakrit. D. Tamil. Answer is option A. Sanskrit. Question number 4. Who was the author of Arthashastra? Option A. Kalidas. B. Maharshi Valmiki. C. Kautilya. D. Pandit Vishnu Gupta. Answer is option C. Kautilya. Question number 5. Who was the first woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate? Option A. Noor Jahan. B. Razia Sultan. C. Rani Durgavati. D. Chand Bibi. Answer is option B. Razia Sultan. Question number 6. Who was the last ruler of the Maurya dynasty? Option A. Bindusara. B. Ashoka. C. Chandragupta Maurya. D. Brihadratha. Answer is option D. Brihadratha. Question number 7. Which Indus Valley site was the Great Bath found? Option A. Harappa. B. Mohenjo-daro. C. Lothal. D. Banavali. Answer is option B. Mohenjo-daro. Question number 8. The term Aryan is derived from which language? Option A. Hindi. B. Persian. C. Tamil. D. Sanskrit. Answer is option D. Sanskrit. Question number 9. Which ancient Indian texts discuss statecraft and military strategy? Option A. Manusmriti. B. Vedas. C. Arthashastra. D. Ramayana. Answer is option C. Arthashastra. Question number 10. Who composed the Mahabharata? Option A. Ved Vyas. B. Maharshi Valmiki. C. Kalidas. D. Kautilya. Answer is option A. Ved Vyas. Question number 11. Who was the founder of the Delhi Sultanate? ऑप्शन ए कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक, बी मोहम्मद घोरी, सी इल्तुतमिश, डी बलबन. Answer is option A कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक. Question number 12. Which Sultan of Delhi is known for his administrative reforms and military conquest? Option A Iltutmish, B Muhammad bin Tughlaq, C Firoz Shah Tughlaq, D Alauddin Khilji. Answer is option D Alauddin Khilji. Question number 13. Who was the first Mughal emperor? Option A Akbar, B Humayun, C Babar, D Jahangir. Answer is option C Babar. Question number 14. Which Mughal emperor is known for his policy of religious tolerance? Option A Shah Jahan, B Akbar, C Aurangzeb, D Jahangir. Answer is option B Akbar. Question number 15. The famous Red Fort was built by which Mughal emperor? Option A Jahangir, B Aurangzeb, C Akbar, D Shah Jahan. Answer is option D Shah Jahan. Question number 16. Who was the last Mughal emperor? Option A Bahadur Shah II, B Akbar, C Shah Alam II, D Aurangzeb. Answer is option A Bahadur Shah II. Question number 17. Which battle marked the beginning of Mughal dominance in India? Option A Battle of Haldighati, B Battle of Plassey, C Battle of Panipat, D Battle of Karnal. Answer is option C Battle of Panipat. Question number 18. Who was the founder of the Maratha Empire? Option A Balaji Bajirao, B Bajirao I, C Chhatrapati Shahu, D Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Answer is option D Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Question number 19. Which ruler is known for his administrative reforms and the establishment of a strong navy in the Maratha Empire? Option A Rajaram, B Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, C Bajirao I, D Sahu Maharaj. Answer is option B Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Question number 20. The famous Shivaji Maharaj coronation took place in which year? Option A 1645, B 1680, C 1674, D 1700. Answer is option C 1674. Question number 21. Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? ऑप्शन ए लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन, बी सी राजा गोपालाचारी, सी पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, डी डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद। आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन। Question number 22. Who was the first Indian to join the Indian Civil Services? Option A Lala Lajpat Rai, B Dada Bhai Nauroji, C Subhash Chandra Bose, D Satyendra Nath Tagore. Answer is option D Satyendra Nath Tagore. Question number 23. Who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress? Option A Sarojini Naidu, B Annie Besant, C कमला देवी चट्टोपाध्याय, डी राजकुमारी अमृत कौर। आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी एनी बेसेंट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. द क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट was launched in which year? Option A 1940, B 1945, C 1942, D 1939. Answer is option C 1942. Question number 25. Who gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? Option A Mahatma Gandhi, B Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, C Subhash Chandra Bose, D Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Answer is option D Bal Gangadhar Tilak.